Good morning. So what we're going to work out today is how to work out the median and mean or averages from different tables. Okay, so we're going to have it for two type of questions. So grouped and ungrouped data. So first of all, what does this grouped and ungrouped set of data actually stand for? Well, you can actually see here, this data is actually ungrouped because you know that you've got 9 people that score 0 points, 18 people that score 2 points. This question here is grouped data, okay? Why is that? Well, you know that you've got the table shows the time taken for 20 people to do a 5k run. Well, 3 people did it between 15 and 20, so you don't know exactly the times, but you know you've done it between that time period. So start with this question. It says, work out the mean for these numbers. Now, in order for you to do this question, the first thing to do is you need to make a new table, okay? Which is frequency times points. Okay, so we're simply going to multiply across for this. So 0, 11, 36, 21, 16, and 5. And what we need to do is we add this total. We don't need the total of points. We don't need this. We need the total of frequency, okay? How many people actually did play the game. So 9 plus 11 plus 18 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1. So 50 people in total. Total of this column is 11 plus 36 plus 21 plus 16 plus 5, 89. So I want to work out the mean, okay? Work out the mean, so therefore it's 89 over 50. So 89 over 50, which gives us 1.78. So for this question here, it shouldn't say points here, really. It should actually say games. So in 0 games, they actually score 10 and so on. So we do a new column, 0 times 10, 0, 12, 2x, 21, and 0. So you note this total here, it tells you that it's 55. So 12 plus 21 plus 2x must be equal to 55. So you've got 2x equals to 55, take away 33, 22. So x equals to 11. So the missing letter is 11. What if this question wanted to work out the mean? Well, now you know that this, instead of 2x, is actually 22. You know the total is 55, divided by the total of frequency, and that's how you work out the mean. But what if I got one of these questions here, okay? For these questions, you need to actually make 2 new columns. Yeah, so you make 2 new columns for it. So the first column is going to be called midpoint. So it's the midpoint. So what's between 15 and 20? 17.5. Between 22.5, 27.5, and 35. And this one is frequency times midpoint. I've not even looked at what the question is actually asking me to do. Yeah, so I know that as soon as I see a table like this, I could be thinking of midpoint and frequency times midpoint. So 3 times 17.5, 52.5. 6 times 22.5 gives us 135. 7 times 27.5 gives us 192.5. And 4 times 35 gives us 140. So I'm looking for this total here. This is the total that I need. And the other total that I need is the total of frequency. So total of frequency is 20, so 20 people do that. So 52.5 plus 135 plus 192.5 plus 140 gives us 520. So therefore, I've done this, okay? I've never looked at the question. So let's see. So find a class interval that contains the median. Work out an estimate for the mean time. So let's do first of all this one, the easy one, the mean time. So the mean time is simply 520 over 20, which is 26. So that's the answer for the mean. It's 26 minutes. So the median. Now, how many people you've got? You have got 20 people. The median will be the 10th person. Okay, so you're looking for that 10th person. So up to here, you've got 3 people that have done between 15 and 20. Between 15 and 25, you've got 9 people. Okay, because we've done 3 plus 6 to get that 9. So between 15 and 30 minutes, you have got a total of 16 people. So where would that 10th person be? Well, that 10th person must be in this class here. So therefore, the median class would be 25 to 30. What if the question was after model class? What does model class stand for? Model class stands for the class with the most people in it. It just happens to be that is also 25 to. They're not always the same. Okay, it just happens to be.